Hey there, and welcome back to RackNerd TV. I'm Christian, and in today's video, we're diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone serious about optimizing their WordPress sites for search engines. I'm talking about setting up RankMath SEO, an advanced tool that goes beyond the basics to elevate your site's SEO game. This is the SEO plugin that I would go for if you need advanced features and much more superior than Yoast SEO can offer. Before we jump in, please make sure that you have a website set up with WordPress running on a solid hosting platform. If you're still looking for one, I highly recommend you check us out at RackNerd.com for reliable and high performance hosting for your WordPress site. Now let's go ahead and dive into the world of the RankMath SEO plugin. So what sets RankMath apart? Well, it is a comprehensive SEO solution with advanced features that outshine other plugins on the market. Today, we're going to explore its advanced capabilities and guide you through the setup process like how we do on our own WordPress sites. But first, if you're finding value in our content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for us and share it with a fellow WordPress enthusiast out there. And for more guides and tutorials like this one, consider subscribing to us here on YouTube. Now let me go ahead and share my screen and let's get started with the tutorial. All right, here we are in our WordPress dashboard. To set up RankMath, head on over to plugins and click add new and then search for RankMath. Once you found it, hit install and then activate. Now, here's where the magic begins. With RankMath activated, you'll notice that RankMath will prompt you to connect a free account with it. Click on it to proceed on setting up your existing account or register a new one if you haven't already. With that said, please follow my screen as I walk you through the setup process. It's crucial to get these settings right for optimal performance. Are you ready? Let's go. So once your RankMath account is set up, you will be directed to the RankMath setup wizard, which makes everything easy for you. There is an easy and advanced method, as you can see here. And since our purpose for using RankMath is for having advanced features on our SEO plugin, we will go ahead and choose the advanced method here. Now let's take a moment to configure the on-screen instructions. These should be self-explanatory and basic to some of you out there, but they play a significant role in how your site appears in search results. So let's do this. Now, as we explore, we'll discover more SEO optimization features, but what I am more interested in is diving more into the sidebar settings here. So please pay attention to your screen at the moment while I go through these settings here and follow along if you are not familiar with this. we have successfully set up the RankMath SEO plugin for our site. And there you have it. You just learned how to set up the RankMath SEO plugin on our own site. The advanced features it offers makes it a powerful ally in boosting your site's visibility and performance in search engines. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your WordPress community. And consider subscribing for more WordPress guides like this one. And of course, for reliable web hosting solutions, check out RackNerd.com. At RackNerd, we offer several options for you to host WordPress sites, whether through a cost-effective manner with a shared hosting or a high-performance purpose with our VPS hosting services. We got you covered. With that said, thank you for tuning in today. I will see you guys next time. Talk soon.